What is going on, guys? So we got two ceramic coats today. This beautiful Mercedes and this truck. So I'm gonna do the Mercedes first and then the truck after, and let's get going. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, so this is what we're working with. Let me just add, this is a brand new vehicle, so it's a lot less prep work than when I did mine, because I don't have to do a full like 3-stage buff or anything. So I just did a rinse. We're gonna do clay, gonna do polish, and then 2 layers of CQuartz UK. So let's do it. Alright, so we are all prepped. Paint is all smooth, all contaminants are off. Just wiped out the rims with a wheel cleaner. Time to go. So we got one down, all ceramic coated, wheels all wiped out. Germans have everything on point except for the brake dust, so figure it out. So we did 2 coats all around, 3 coats on the front, 3 coats on the pillars, and 3 coats on the rear bumper here. So this is all set. I'm gonna move on to the truck next, and let's go. Alright, so that's a wrap on the truck and the Mercedes, both coated with CQuartz UK. 2 coats, 3 coats on the front and the back bumpers for both. Door jambs done, wheels dressed. Not only did we ceramic coat both cars, but on this truck I went in, like the previous truck I did the wheel wells and the wheels, because the car washes around here suck. Look at this thing in the sun. Absolute killer. Killer.